How to delete a payment method in Uber. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete a payment method in the Uber app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete payment method in the Uber app, just open the Uber application and then you have to tap on the three lines from the top left hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the three lines from the top left, on here you have to select the option called payment. And as you tap on the payment option on the next specific page, just tap on the payment methods that you want to delete. Once you open up the specific payment method, now tap on the three dot icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the three dot icon, here you'll find the option called delete. You just have to tap on it in order to delete that specific payment method. It'll ask you for a confirmation for the once and the final time. At the bottom, just select the option called delete. And that's all it takes to delete your payment method in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.